The 120th Paris Motor Show is an important venue for Toyota, as not only it's the place where the Camry is being exhibited as an Avensis replacement, but it's also the event where the new Corolla is showcased as the direct successor of the Auris. Both the 5-door hatchback and the Wagon body styles are on display, complete with an entirely different design and overhauled hardware compared to the outgoing Auris. Riding on the TNGA platform, the Corollas are longer than the models they replace, plus 40mm for hatch, 58mm for touring sports, and part of that stretch can be seen in the extended wheelbases, freeing up more room inside the cabin. The center of gravity has been dropped by 10mm and all versions come as standard with a multi-link rear suspension. Not only that, but Toyota mentions the rigidity of the body shell is up by 60% over the Auris models, thus bringing improved stability and handling without hampering comfort. Customers will get to pick from a conventional 1.2-liter turbo engine and electrified 1.8 and 2.0-liter powertrains. The entry-level unit is good for 114 horsepower, followed by the smaller of the two hybrid engines with 120 horsepower and the bigger one with 178 horsepower on tap. The beefiest of them all offers 192 Nm, 142 pound-feet, of torque. When it comes to equipment, there's a lot to talk about. From LED headlights and wireless smartphone charging to a head-up display and a panoramic sunroof, the Euro-spec Corolla can be had with an assortment of goodies. We are barely scratching the surface here, as Toyota offers an extensive options list, which also includes a JBL sound system featuring 8 speakers and an electrically operated tailgate. The hatchback and wagon will be joined by a new sedan, quite possibly before the end of the decade.